Hello all, welcome to this course. In this course, we are going to learn about collection framework. Collection framework is one of the most important part of Java programming language. To build applications effectively and efficiently, one need to master collection framework. In this course, first we will set up our environment. Then slowly I will take you through all the necessary concepts you need to know in order to understand collection classes, such as data structure types, generics, interfaces, etc. Then slowly we will dive into the discussion of collection classes. We will discuss their methods, constructors, and their implementation details. We will discuss why it is required, why it had been introduced, etc. We start our collection class discussion with array list, then followed by linked list, queue classes, map classes, and set classes. We will also discuss the classes which closely work with collection classes, such as iterators and collection algorithms. I have picked some interesting problems to help you understand the collection classes. A special chapter dedicated with problems to solve using the collection classes that are going to be learned. I would like to stress on one matter. We discuss all the methods and constructors of a class. This will help you understand the size and importance of a class and will give you the satisfaction of learning the complete content of a collection class. I have seen many courses where they will teach you only few methods, but the students get disappointed when they hear about other methods of a particular class, which makes them feel they still have to learn more. I have created this content to make you a master on these collection classes. First few lectures discusses some key concepts it is required in order to help you understand the concepts and background of collection classes. And feel free to drop your questions whenever you have in the Q&A section. I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. And once again, thank you so much for opting this course and welcome to this course. Happy learning.